My name is Dr. Semeni Ngozi. I work at the Department of Agriculture, Economics and Business, University of Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. I'm very happy to participate in this workshop, residential workshop, which is organized by Access Agriculture and RUFORUM. Through my stay here at Mukono, Uganda, I've learned a lot from day one. We have been learning how to do blog, but also to do video editing. Then blog creation. Also, we went to the field in Banda village where we got a chance to interview Mama Justine, who is doing organic farming. So when we were interviewing Mama Justine, actually, we shared a lot of things. We learned a lot of things, including how she's producing the organic fertilizer, how she's doing the application of fertilizer. She also shared with us how organic fertilizer application improves her yield, but also income, because when she's doing organic farming, she's getting more yield than other farmers who are doing conventional farming. Once she has more yield, and even the price in the market is higher because of the organic product. But also, when we came back from the field, we also got a chance of doing video editing. So we actually modified our script, because when we went to the field, we found some of the things we had done differently from what she shared with us. So we had to do the editing and modify our script, because it's a living document. Then later on, we had a chance of putting our videos in a good series. And then today, it's the last day of the workshop. We're gonna produce our video. We are very excited to produce this video to share on our channels. I do have my YouTube channel, my Instagram account, so I'm gonna upload. And then when I'm going back to my university, I'm going to continue doing video production, sharing with my students. But also, when we do, for example, us who are teaching, most of the time actually we focus on publishing papers. But then through this workshop, we're gonna now translate our findings, scientific findings, so that we are able to share with other actors who are non-scientific audience, farmers, young people who are doing, especially in the social media, because most of the time young people love social media, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. So once we get a chance of sharing on Facebook, then we're gonna reach more, audience, including youths, who now we want them to do agriculture. Agriculture is good, agriculture is wealthy. Thank you so much, Access Agriculture and RUFORUM, for this workshop.